Many people have no idea what glutathione is and how it may be relevant to them. So why should I care about glutathione? Glutathione is a tripeptide and is found in every cell of the body. There are over 106,000 published and peer-reviewed clinical studies that validate the important role that it plays in the body. These studies can be found at pubmed.gov, the National Library of Medicine website. Glutathione is as fundamental to the existence to every cell as is oxygen, water, or food. Cells could survive longer without water or food than without glutathione. Glutathione is the defender of the cell and its master protector, and is often called by scholars the mother of all antioxidants. The body was naturally designed to make glutathione. It already exists in our cells, but because of our polluted environment, poor diet, stress, medications, infections, trauma, and radiation, your glutathione levels are falling and can't keep up with all the challenges it has to defend against. Starting at the age of 20, your glutathione levels drop 10 to 15% per decade. This drop is not a good thing because it is the leading biomarker for health and aging. Glutathione is the most important molecule your cells need to stay healthy and prevent disease. Glutathione defends your cells from many common causes of aging. Numerous studies correlate the drop in glutathione to the aging process and the onset of disease. Many people suffer from aches and pains they never had before, less energy and strength, loss of memory and mental acuity, and new diseases or health challenges. Whatever the signs of aging are, the root cause almost always begins at the cellular level. Had the body continued to produce enough glutathione, the quality of life would improve rather than deteriorate. What are the causes of aging and sickness that glutathione protects against? The first cause of aging that glutathione addresses is oxidative stress. Let's take, for example, the rusting of a metal pipe in the presence of oxygen. In your body, that rusting is called oxidative stress. Our bodies use oxygen, but the result of using oxygen is that it burns. Every time the body burns oxygen, and you don't counter that burning with an antioxidant, you will suffer the consequences of oxidative stress, including cell damage, cell death, and dysfunction of the cells involved. Because science has an understanding of the crushing impact oxidative stress has on the body, the study of antioxidants, which neutralizes oxidative stress, has become popular and widespread. Today, research has linked oxidative stress to over 200 diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and chronic fatigue syndrome, just to name a few. The next cause of aging is the loss of ATP production. Cars run on fuel, and the human body runs on an energy molecule called ATP. It is the energy source for every cellular function. Research has shown glutathione is required for the body's production of ATP, and the ATP levels are limited by the amount of glutathione available in your cells. As your glutathione levels decline, so does your energy. When your cells don't have enough energy to perform their vital functions, the body shuts down, becomes dysfunctional, ages faster, becomes diseased, and eventually dies. The third driver of aging at the cellular level is inflammation. Inflammation is the underlying root cause of arguably every disease known to science. Inflammation results in pain, fatigue, the inability for cells to communicate and perform tasks effectively, and the inability for hormones to circulate properly. So, if glutathione is so important for me, what can I do about it? Wouldn't it be great if rather than a synthetic injection, my body could increase the production of glutathione naturally? Protandim is the only nutraceutical product that helps the body produce it naturally. Peer-reviewed studies have already proven that taking one pill of protandim per day causes the body to naturally increase the production of glutathione by 300%.